you a gist of what's happening right here on the dance floor. We've got the bridal couple in front of the digital mirror. Well, yes, they're taking pictures of themselves. Just to remind you, one of a kind, right here at the wedding reception.
Y si esa mujer fuera para